Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather pretty Triumph Stag 3-litre manual overdrive that you can see lurking behind me here. 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take a walk around this L registration, so either late 1972 or early 1973 Triumph Stag Mark 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the hood first of all, and then put the hood down and do the rest of the video with the hood down, so you can see the interior a bit better. But we'll just take a slow walk around it first of all, so you can see it in general. Very correct Mark 1 this. I'll go into what's correct about it a bit later on. But there we are in terms of a quick walk round it. Now I'll show you the hood. It looks like it's a fairly recent hood by the Stag Hood Company. It's got their little label on the back there. It's in pretty good shape, with the exception of at some point, it must have been rather galling for the owner, he's managed to split the rear window a little bit, but he has properly sealed it so it's waterproof, and we're assured it is completely waterproof. But as I say, the hood fits well, as you'd expect for one from the Stag Hood Company, and presumably does the job. Anyway, I'll sign off now and we'll get the hood stowed away, and then we'll come back and do the proper video. Okay, so here we are back again with the hood all folded away. I have to say, Stags do look really good with the hoods down. So we've done the walk around already, or the sort of quick walk around. So now we'll get down to some nitty gritty. Actually presents really well. Chrome around the front end is pretty good. There's no big pits or chips on there at all. Some of the trim just to the side of the light there is looking a little bit old. But otherwise that's all good. Up here on the bonnet, that's just a small mark from where we've been polishing it. We've got a bit of paint loss just there on the very edge of the bonnet. Obviously when the bonnet is opened up it does foul very slightly just there, or it has done in the past. A little bit of paint loss there. But the general finish of the bonnet itself is actually pretty good. Normally Stags, because of the heat the engine generates, do get rather poor paint on the bonnet. Certainly we've seen a lot like that. This one is absolutely fine. We have, however, got a very slight split in the paint just there on the near side edge of the bonnet. There's one or two minor imperfections, bit of micro blistering there, and a little bit just on the leading edge of the bonnet over there, but it's pretty minimal compared to most of them. Seam all looks good there. Looking down the near side, it looks very straight and tidy down there. There's no parking dinks or anything, and all the panels all line up as they should. Looking at the near side front wing and wheel, this one being a Mark 1 has got the correct wheel trims on it for the Mark 1 and body coloured sills as it should have. Up here on the scuttle it's all very good. It's got its wing mirror there. Near side door all looks pretty sharp. Now inside it has all been completely retrimmed, and these are actually Mark II Stag seats, I think. They're not Mark 1 certainly. They're Mark II with the separate headrests on the top. Has been retrimmed in full black leather with red piping. Same at the back. I presume it's leather in fairness. It may be leatherette, but it does look like leather to me the way it's weathered. Dark wood on the dash on this one. It's got a stereo. We haven't tested that out. Certainly as yet, but all pretty complete. Their apologies, I haven't yet given it a vacuum, so you will see one or two bits of dirt down there. Door card. Just wanted to get it photographed before the weather closes in. It's got rear seat belts in it. The T-bar looks to be in good shape. Just a bit of fluff. Again, all around here, it's all looking very good indeed. Chrome on the rear bumper. It has lost a small section of chrome just here underneath the Stag badge. But rear valance, tailpipes all look good. Correct for a Mark 1 to have a body coloured rear panel, not black. Boot lid is all very nice. So look at those seams over there. Yeah, that's pretty good. And again, looking down the offside, it looks really nice and straight and tidy down there. One or two tiny bubbles just on this seam along here. That's just a bit of dirt where the soft top's been sitting. All looks nice there. Arch all looks good. A few marks just here on the or pitting, should we say, on the door handle, but that's normal. And we've got a chip just down there on the driver's door, but otherwise it's pretty good actually. It's one of the better finished Stags I've seen for some while actually, in terms of its paint imperfections. That's pretty good there as well. I will show you inside. Say some pitting on some of the chrome and the Mazak and stuff, like around here and stuff. Pitting on there. We've also got, it's got an additional oil pressure gauge and a switch for presumably Lucas spotlights, so they're no longer fitted. Driver's seat, as I say, these are replacement Mark II seats, and the driver's seat has worn down here in terms of the piping and the leather around it, and that bit of leather just there. It's not split, it's just worn the face of it away a little bit. A couple of marks on the driver's seat, but yeah, it's got the proper Mark 1 dash as well. I like the look of this one. So I think there we have it. It's really not a great deal more I can tell you about it on the video, but refer to our website for the full description. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com, for any more information.